driver. We're off to Nara today to see the deer. Well, that's interesting. I don't know if it is, it just looks very old school. Could be completely wrong. Probably am, but you know. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh, I want this one. How different the trains can be here. Love the way they decorate stuff. It's so cartoon-like, but it's nice. So cool. It's better than just boring colours, yeah? Like ours. Just, it's more fun to look at. There's so many different types of trains, whereas you go in the UK, they're all very similar. I love it. Oh, so our train's coming. So as I said, we're off to Nara now, which has got the nodding deer, loads of wild deer in Nara Park. So that is where we are heading. And there's other stuff there as well. See, another different train. This looks modern, this one. So watch them bow. See, they actually bow to get food. They're pretty, yeah? Look how sweet they are. They're everywhere. Literally. They're clever. They know if you've got food and they will literally just follow you everywhere. Somewhere. Look. So here they come. Bow. You get one and they're all after you. Oh, okay. You're bowing. Yes. And you're bowing? You're bowing nicely? Okay. And you're bowing. You're bowing. Finished. Oh, look how sweet these ones are. Look. Oh, hey. They literally chase you, look. This poor lady. Chase, look, jump. nibble at your shirt to get. You can't keep up. You are sweet. I don't want to have. It's funny to see other people because it's the same for everyone. They nibble at you, follow you until you give them crackers. They're clever. They are very clever. Bowen.
I don't have.
You are sweet.
No, nothing.
It's rare in England you'll get to touch a deer, you know. But here, watch, just quite happily. Enjoy. They're very tame. They are wild deers, as in, you know, wild. They're not owned by anyone. They're wild deers. Apparently, they used to have some kind of they're protected, but they had some kind of sacred symbol or status. They don't have that now. That was taken away. I don't think they're classed as sacred anymore, but they are still protected. So, you know, you can't shoot them, kill them, whatever. Why would you anyway? I mean, it brings so many tourists because it's a unique experience that I don't know if you can get anywhere else. Just chilling in the central reservation, crossing. Deers have priority here. Grazing in the middle, look. Wow. The car's just...
It's like the wild cows in Hong Kong. They just roam around. And you just have to stop. Leave until... The wild.
So this is Kokokuji Temple, I believe. There's a huge pagoda, 5-story one. Some scaffolding there. I love their roofs. I love them. Oh wow, look at that one.
What's happening around now?
Looks like you can't visit this one because they're doing some renovation. There's scaffolding at the bottom. So it looks as though this one is just view on the outside only. That's all, but it's fine. So as I said, the temple there and the pagoda are closed. It looks like for renovations, but the central golden hall there is open. We just bought a ticket. This is just actually in Nara Park if you want to go, and it's 500 yen, which is about £2.50. I didn't really get that, so I'll do it again. So yeah, you go through here, this hole. And then
Padre, não dá.
come out here.
Bora, bora, vai, vai. Então não filmaste. Não, não dá.
Wow. Looks like that's made out of wood. Carved out of wood, I believe. That. That's impressive. There you go, look. I think you can fit in the palm of his hand, apparently. It's massive. It's very impressive. So we are at Nijatsudu, which is it's a hall, also named as February Hall, destroyed in 1667, I believe, and it was rebuilt in 1669. It's destroyed by fire. It's really big. It's impressive. Look, all the structures here, very impressive. It's part of the temple we've just been to. That's all part of the same complex. Not sure if I'm meant to go in there, so maybe I shouldn't. You've got to take your shoes off if you go in. Remove your footwear before entering. So I won't do that because I'm really wet. Doing some building work. Lovely veranda to overlook and look at the weather. It's very rainy today. There's a crab here, dancing away. Train. It's really cool. Just pictures how Nara is with the parks and the deer. Bye.